Good morning, guys. This is Photography Laboratory, and this is my blog. The first place I'm most excited to visit is the photography lab. Why? It's because I really enjoy taking videos and photos of different things. And also, videography and photography are my hobbies. And I believe in this experience will help me develop important skills such as adaptability and critical thinking. These skills are essential because they will enable me to different situations creatively and sufficiently, which I know will be valuable in my future career. Both adaptability and critical thinking are foundational in succeeding in criminology. They are allow you to engage with a dynamic field thoughtfully and responsibly. Prepare me for real-world challenges in criminal justice profession. And last but not the least, support and ethical evidence-based decision-making in high-pressure environments.